Yeah. Hey. But just in the midst of your trials and your storm, you know, every situation, you can just sing out this to Jesus, you know. Hey. And I listen, me now. Sometimes I sit and think about all that you've done. All that you've done. Think about your faithfulness and you send your only son. Only son. Then I realize that there is none can compare to Jesus. Every single thing you've done. So I say, with all of my heart and all of my soul, I worship you, oh Jah. Lord, come down and take control. Take control again, again. With all of my heart and all of my soul, I worship you, oh Jah, yeah, yeah. Lord, come down and take control. Yeah, yeah, hey, you clean up my heart and my mind. Give me joy all of the time. Make me feel so sweet inside. I know, Lord, you're always mine. I know until the end of time. Yaga yo, I love you, sweet Jesus, so divine. So, with all of my heart and all of my soul, I worship you, oh Jah. Yo, Lord, come down and take control. Zion, and yaga yo, with all of my heart and all my soul, I worship you, sweet Jesus now. Lord, come down and take control. Yeah, 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 yeah. I worship you. Hey, I worship you. Oh, Lord, I worship you. Zion, I worship you. Hey, so somebody help me say Jesus. With all of my heart and all of my soul, I worship you, oh Jah. Hey, Lord, come down and take control. Take control, Jesus. With all of my heart and all of my soul, I worship you. And I hey, Lord, come down and take control. And I take control. Take control of my life. I beg you, please, sweet, sweet Jesus Christ. And I give me love and joy. Lord, give me peace. Every day, forevermore, your blessings increase. Will never cease. That's why me praise your name. Your name above all name. You know this not no game. Again, again. With all of my heart and all of my soul, I worship you, oh God. Hey, Lord, come down. Lord, come down and take control. Yaga yo. Lord, come down. Lord, come down right now and take full control of my heart, of my soul. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yaga yo. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yaga yo. Yaga, yeah, yeah. Jesus Christ, you love me, always there. Take control, take control, take control. And as I know, yaga, yeah. So we just want to worship Jesus Christ.